It's Kamar Culture. I'm the heart and soul of the internet trap. All you need is Wi-Fi, laptop, and a cell phone, and you can run it up. Welcome to the internet trap. $1,000,000 plays. I got the recipe. Let's get it.
I just wanna prosper. These streets will turn you to a monster. Hey.
All right, welcome back. Internet trapping. It's your man Kamar Culture. All right, we're gonna do a quick video. We're gonna go through some quick technical analysis to see, basically to see if I had a couple people hit me up and was like, "Yo, is it over? Can we celebrate? Is it over? Is the market done falling? Can I start back buying the dip and holding the rip?" You feel me? Because we had a big rally on Friday, which was Quiet Wiction Day. And if you don't know what that is, I do another video talking about Quiet Wiction. But yeah, Quiet Wiction Day, we had a big rip. We bounced off a lot of key levels. And yeah, we got it in. If you was on the trades, you made some money. So, $1,000,000 plays, I got the recipe. Run it up. Alright. So can we buy these dips and start holding on to these rips, or are we still sell the rips and continue to short the dips? I don't know if they go together, but it sounded good. Alright. So I'm gonna go into some technical analysis real quick. Trying to make this video too long because I got a lot of time. Alright, let me get Zoom off of here. So we got Zoom. What we got? Okay, we got the Spot, boom, Amazon, Tesla, Apple, Google, Visa, Snow. Let me put Adobe right here. ADBE. Let me put shit, I'm missing something. What's the other? What am I missing? Amazon, Tesla, Apple, Google, Visa, Adobe. What's the other major? Stop. What is it? How do I not know this? I said I do this shit for real. How do I not know this? Fuck it. I'm missing something. It's fucking with me. And it's gonna fuck with me until I figure it out. I'm not editing this out either. Alright, Apple, Tesla, Amazon, Google, Visa, Adobe. Fuck it, Netflix. Yeah, that's in the thing. I'm tripping. I'm tripping. Oh shit. Why was y'all listening to me? Okay. Netflix. Alright, so excuse me, I don't want that boosty shit in the corner of my mouth, so sorry I had to do that on camera. But we keep it 100. Alright, let me get to it. I'm just rambling off and shit. Alright, so is it over? So check it out. On the daily, all of these, you look at the daily charts. As y'all can see, we've been in a downturn. Boom, we got Amazon getting the top took off at 37.70. We got Tesla getting the top took off at 11.95. We got Apple getting the top took off. Like I say, knock your top off at 183. We got Google getting the top knocked off at 3,000. What is this? Visa top took off 236. But I think we got bigger highs on Visa. Yeah, I know I went crazy. Kind of made that trade at 251, so they don't really count. We already been in a downtrend. This actually might start to consolidate. So Visa really not a good. It really shouldn't even be in here because I was really doing big tech. That's kind of like banks, but whatever. Y'all feel where I'm going with this. We got Adobe top Snapbox rock, like Hassan say, is 700. This might actually be at the bottom. This is a very good case. This probably could be at the bottom. I don't know. We could have more. We could go down. This shit might get even ugly. I think it's gonna get ugly. I'm gonna show y'all why. We got Netflix, Snapbox rock, which I felt like should have been happening anyway. I'm not a big believer in Netflix. I don't understand why a streaming service is fucking $700 a share. I never got it, but understand that we was in a crazy market back then, so it just is what it is. But it's really possible that we could fill this big gap right here. Eventually, I don't know. But I have to look at Netflix fundamentals to really I just don't care for Netflix. I really don't. Alright, so can we start buying the dip and holding on to it? So me personally, if you look at the daily, you can see right here where we had these big bounces. And this is what fuck up a lot of traders and a lot of investors, right? And myself included. We so emotional that we get caught up in the short term, and that's how they kind of keep us like off guard and making bad decisions. You know what I'm saying? Like you got to really be a rock when it comes to trading and investing, and not get caught up in the hype. This for the good and for the bad. So like for the bad, right? We've been getting nothing but bad news. 2022 crashing. Motherfuckers getting killed. Portfolios getting murdered. Shit look like New Memphis right now. You know what I'm saying? But at the same time, because it's been so doom and gloom, every time you get a relief bounce, everybody think, oh shit, this is it. We finna go back up to the upside. Because genuinely people want to see new all-time highs. It's just the way it is. Just psychology. Because I always, and it is weird because I think that I'm one of the people, I'm a contrarian, and that's not a good thing either in a lot of cases, because you really want to be what I call bias neutral in the market. That's the way to make money. Don't get attached to the upside or the downside. But I know it sounds like I'm rambling, but I'm about to put this shit together for y'all. So I said that to say that a lot of times when you see when you're in the midst of something, your judgment get cloudy. So you see that we got this shit just been ripping down. So when you get a relief bounce, it kind of changes your attitude and y'all forget what the fuck happened. So why are we down? Why are we down? That's the number one thing you gotta ask. Why are we down? So they say that we're down because of inflation, right? You got inflation, and then you got the war with Ukraine and Russia. Those are the primary reasons that they say that we're down. At the end of the day, nothing has changed. We still got high inflation. It ain't changed in fucking 2 days. Like, none of that has changed. So, me personally, until the storyline change, I gotta keep going with the storyline. You're gonna get relief bounces. The stock market not just gonna go straight down. Just the same way it don't go straight up. So, with that being said, me personally, I'm not trusting this bounce. I think that we have a good possibility to go lower, or at least retest and do like a third. So what I think could happen is we may go, all right, so you see, because look right here. Check out the spot right here. I don't know why I'm putting my hand out like y'all can to be touching the screen, but check this out. So boom, we fall. We get a bounce off the 200 on the daily, right? And we go back into a supply zone. We kind of fuck around in here for a minute. Boom, hit the top of the supply zone, fall back down, go up a little bit, fall all the way back down into this demand zone right here, right? So even when we fell, we didn't just go from here to here. We went from here, went up a little bit, fell all the way down, bounced up, bounced around here, fell down, bounced up. Then we got down here. So this is the same way you go down, the same way you're gonna go up, same way you go up, you're gonna go down the same way. That's just the way the stock market works. So with that being said, what I'm anticipating on happening here is we're gonna get into this supply zone right here. I think I got two scenarios. That way I'm always right. That's the key to this shit. If you got multiple scenarios, you'll always be right. So, but for real. So my two scenarios are this. I think we're going to bounce into the supply zone, and we're going to come back down, make our way back down to this demand zone again. Now, once we get down here, we either going to bounce again, and we're going to trade in the channel right here, which wouldn't be a bad channel to trade in. This would be a lot of money to make, because, I mean, you got between 4,500 and 4,200. You could be a scalping dog right here. for real. So that wouldn't be a bad channel to be in, and they would be consolidating. So yeah, that's what I would actually rather see. I really don't want to see no new all-time highs, because to me, I mean, just keeping it 100, when you put out trillions of dollars into the market, bruh, the market is out balanced right now. Shit is overpriced. We got inflation. Broke niggas was rich niggas was broke. Like, the world upside down right now. You got an imbalance going on. So until we get this imbalance back on track, that's when I want to see new all-time highs. You know what I mean? Because I'm not, I feel like you can make money when the market going up or down. So it don't matter to me. I'm not one of those people that just always want the market to fucking rally. I don't even think that's healthy, to be honest with you. When I was watching the market in 2020, that shit was just mind blowing to me. That shit just kept going up. So I think the same way we just seen shit just keep going up in 2020, in 2022, you're starting to feel the effects. I think we're going to see the same shit on the other side. We're going to see shit just keep going down. You know what I'm saying? You're going to get a break. You're going to get some relief rallies here and there. But I think we're going to get shit is going to keep going down. That's what I think is going to happen until we get a real bottom. I don't think this is a real bottom. I could be wrong. Oh, and I did say this before the video started. This is for entertainment purposes only. I'm not a professional. So don't listen to shit I got to say, but listen to the shit I got to say. You feel me? All right. So with that being said, I don't really think this is a true bottom. At the end of the day, I think first scenario, we bounce into the supply zone and we fall back down to this demand zone and we consolidate between here and we go sideways for a while, which wouldn't be bad. If we pull out on the SPY, we haven't went sideways for a long time. Like it's been a long time since we just really traded sideways. It's been some years. I mean, this fucking market just been going up forever. So yeah, it wouldn't be bad. See, look at this. We just been going up. We have a little dip or whatever, then we just start going back up. So it wouldn't be bad for us to go sideways for a little while. And just, yeah, you see how this is right here? If we just bounce sideways between 45 and 4100, just bounce sideways until we either decide to go down farther or, you know, make some new all-time highs, that'll be great. Me personally, like I said, I'm not banking on us making no more all-time highs. I'm just not. I'm not bullish on the market at all. I've been bearish on the market for a long time, to be honest. So yeah, so that's the first scenario. We bounce here into the supply zone, and we fall to the demand zone, and we go sideways. Next scenario, we bounce into the supply zone, and we get down here for the third time, we actually fall through this motherfucker, fall through the flow. You feel me? Like we fall all the way through this motherfucker. And if we fall through the flow, we gonna have a problem. Let me show y'all something real quick. Now these are all daily charts. Now look at the monthly. Now if you look at the monthly, this is another reason why I think that we still got some room to go down. So look at the SPY. Look at all our talk, like the stock that, you know, the big tech, the shit that moves the market. Look at Amazon. Amazon has peaked out. And I've seen this on a 1 minute chart before. And I'll talk about this in other videos. I want y'all to always remember two things. Whatever happens on the micro level happens on the bigger level. Point blank, period. These charts move the same ways, just on different levels. It's kind of like in life. Whatever's happening in the micro world is happening in the bigger. It's in the bigger picture. You can see the same thing happening. Excuse me. So with that being said, I've seen this before. I've seen on a 1 minute chart where we get to the top and we peak out and we just bounce around here and we just cannot get no more juice to break a new all-time high, and then we fall, and then you see it on a 5 minute chart and we start coming down. I've seen that. So if we got big tech at the peak like this, look at Tesla. Do you think we're going to bounce here and go to new all-time highs? I just don't think so. Once again, I could be wrong, but I don't think so. Just looking at the analysis, I don't think so. Looking at the climate, I mean, just what's going on. Look at Apple. Peaked here. I mean, we could get a bounce and go higher. It's not impossible. But that's not what I'm thinking is going to happen. Excuse me. That's not what I'm thinking is going to happen. Look at our RSI. On the monthly, Jesus Christ, we just oversold. We oversold on the monthly everywhere. We need to pull down to this 50 level. Now, Amazon has pulled down to the 50 level, which is crazy. They just show you how that's crazy. But look at the SPX. I mean, we ain't hit below this 50 level since the beginning of 2020. Like, so, I don't know why YouTube, when you have children and I'm doing a YouTube video, they come talk to you like, I'm not your dad right now, okay? Sure, take it. That's all you gotta do anyway, is take. Take. Right. Alright. Alright, back to the video. Anyway. Alright, so boom, this video get long as fuck. We at 14 minutes. Alright. So yeah, to go back to that and fast forward this shit if I'm rambling. But yeah, so look at the RSI. I think we need to get down. Like this shit just need to be broken down. And on the monthly, you know, once you break every level, you know, when you break support, it turns into resistance. So we broke the 8-day moving average. We hanging around here. I think this is the 20-day. This is the 50. This is the 200. We got a long way to go to get 200. But stock candles don't just hang around in the middle of nowhere for nothing. They eventually got to get somewhere to one of these moving averages. So with that being said, yeah, look at this. Look at Google. Just peaked out and we're just chilling. You know what I mean? Just up in the air. Just chilling. So I personally think we got some more falling to do. And that's why. If you look at all these RSIs, all the RSIs are oversold on the monthly. Now Netflix on the monthly isn't oversold, so you probably could see some more. You may see demand zone right here for Netflix, and you may get some more on Netflix. And that may be what keeps the SPY from just falling all the way apart. But yeah, the rest of this shit, Adobe, what we looking like on Adobe now? Adobe might be through falling for a minute. So with that being said, that's just my technical analysis. The VIX has been coming down, but that don't mean shit. That happens from time to time. The VIX going down don't mean nothing because we can shoot back up, and you could look up and the VIX could be at a 40 in no time. All it takes is Putin to say, fuck Ukraine, we not calling no truce and we want the whole fucking country now, and the VIX will be right back up. But this is one thing I want people to remember. Always keep in mind, as Shakespeare said, the world is a stage. We're being told a story all the time. So with that being said, the stock market, it moves out supply and demand, right? That's simple. And the next thing is storylines. That's what drives the market. These storylines, that's what make people buy, that's what make people sell. Outside of supply and demand, that's what make this shit move. So, me personally, I won't be surprised if we got a Black Swan event between now and the end of the year that pull us down on the SPY down to the 50. And that'll give us a good for real recalibration, and then we can start back moving up. I wouldn't be surprised, but it would take a story, a good story for that to happen, a good event for that to happen. So be looking out for that. That could happen. If it does, your boy called it first. So that's what's up. But yeah, that's it. I'm gonna wrap up this video. Like I said, be careful. I don't think we're done going down. I will be shorting here in this area. Now don't go into this shit blindly shorting. Make sure you take a look at what the volume is like, whatever situation you trade, whether it be the SPY, Amazon, Apple, whatever stock you trade. Make sure you pay attention to selling and buying once we get into these supply areas. If you see buy and demand pick up, then hey, I was wrong, and we might butter straight through this fucking supply zone and start making new all-time highs. But me personally, I think we're gonna hit it and we're gonna fall down. I mean, we're gonna fall out the fucking sky. That's what I think. So, yeah. But yeah, this quick video, I hope y'all got the gist of what I was trying to say. And tune in for more videos, like and subscribe. Internet trapping, y'all know what it is. $1 Million Plays, we got the recipe, run it up. Holla at me.
I got the recipe. Run it up, I got the recipe. $1 Million Plays, I got the recipe. Run it up, I got the recipe. All this talking got me irritated. Niggas mad cause I elevated. All this talking got me irritated. Nigga kill the cap, that's premeditated. Riding through my old hood, I passed my old spot. I went and ran it up and bought my old spot. All the skeptics always talking what you don't get, but the money counter say we getting a whole lot. That shit just come up when you ballin'. Used to dream about a Porsche, I went and bought it. If I ain't the king of manifesting, what you call it? These niggas mad cause I got driving, they install it. I'm long on the stock play, I'm going for the gusto. Gotta keep it on me cause I know these niggas cutthroat. In the coupe, doing donuts in the parking lot. Brave roof got me feeling like an astronaut. Gucci, Fendi, Louis, turned to roll it bluey. $1 million nigga, still a blow the toolie. Yeah, wanna stack the bread and fuck with me. Watch me work the wrist, I got the recipe. $1 million place, I got the recipe. Run it up, I got the recipe. $1 million place, I got the recipe. Run it up, I got the recipe. All this talking got me irritated. Niggas mad cause I elevated. All this talking got me irritated. Nigga kill a cap, that's premeditated.